Hello, welcome to Ararat Park. If you are a believer and want to spend time close to nature, we invite you to spend your weekend at the Ararat Park, where you can pray and enjoy the tranquility of the place cleared up. The park is located in the municipality of Junín, Cundinamarca, 10 minutes from the town center. In this park, you will find tranquility, security. This stop is welcoming place with friendly and cordial people, where we have cabins and sport playground and place to eat and place to ride and excellent panoramic of the place and the town. Come and enjoy a whole weekend of recreational and spiritual activities. You can stay in the hotel in the beautiful and cozy town of Junín, or you can also camp in the midst of nature in the park. You can participate in Eucharistic celebrations, pilgrimages, night integration activities. They can also ride a horse or simply enjoy the silence of nature and get out of the routine. You can taste the delicious masato or the fritangas and other typical foods of the sector. The place is 3 hours from Bogota. To get to this place from Bogota, you can take a bus to Junín or simple combi car. What are you wanting from the have a weekend full of tranquility? We are waiting for you.